So what this is going to be a quick video on how to bypass the heater core on your Duramax if you're in a pinch and don't want to mess around with the quick connects that are back here on the firewall. So on my truck, EGR cooler is still in place, obviously. You can see it right there. So instead of looping the heater core hoses, what I have done is this hose on the left side, on the passenger side, is this S shape, and it's sold in a length far longer than what's provided here. And the connection point that you need to make in order to bypass this without looping it at the firewall connections is, let me get a better view here, is from right here to the EGR cooler. So this hose that I've used here is this hose. Most places have it in stock, so you could just run into an Auto Parts or Advanced Auto Parts, get your heater core hose, cut it to size, and it be a pre-bent solution that basically fits perfect to connect these two hard pipes. Hopefully this helps someone. I will put a link in the description to the full length hose if anyone needs it. I don't think that's going to be the case, as this is most likely going to be an emergency repair. But if anyone wants to order one off Amazon, I'll put a link in the description.